Hello, I'm Roddy from Trailparts. I'm the General Manager here. At Trailparts, we supply a range of trailer components to the trailer manufacturing industry in Australia. So we believe we bring a fresh lens to the trailer industry with a specific focus on innovative components that add value to our customers who are building trailers for all sorts of applications. So this business is a subsidiary of Trailparts New Zealand, which was established over 25 years ago in northern New Zealand. We set up in 2019 in Melbourne, Victoria, and we've been working with customers bringing these components into this market, and it has had great take-up. So innovation is a real core feature of the business. We believe that developing innovative solutions for customers is the only way to give them a competitive advantage in this market. So we've developed products like UniHub. Of course, our hollow section axle technology has had great take-up. We've got Credo, which is a wireless brake system, and we also have iGo, which is an override 3.5 tonne braking system, which is compliant in the Australian market. So one of the interesting things when we came here into the Australian market was a staple that we'd been producing for many years in New Zealand, which was hollow section tube axles. Got really great take up here in the Australian market because what they were used to is solid bar axles, which are very heavy in comparison. So here we could now save them up to 50 kg on a trailer, which really meant something for them.
Hi, my name's Daniel. I'm the Operations Manager here at Trailparts. Here at Trailparts, we basically build custom axles, and as such, we start with the raw product, which is RHS. That is Australian made. From there, it gets cut down to size for the customer, then goes off to the welding jig, so our custom axle welding jig. From there, it gets assembled. It's a pretty straightforward process, but there is a lot of bits and pieces to it. Once it's all done, it gets wrapped up and delivered to the customer. Last year, we moved into our new premises, which is 1,800 metres squared. Our team consists of 6 people at the moment, and we're looking to expand quite a bit, hopefully doubling that if we can, as we do have a lot of demand and we are supplying as much as we can, as quickly as we can.
So we're a family-owned business here at Trailparts, which is much like just about all our customers in the Australian market. We believe these principles are very important in collaborating with our customers, co-creating with our customers, getting feedback, changing and adapting very quickly to meet the needs of the market to achieve our ultimate goal, which is serving our customers better so that they can have a competitive edge in the market. So we're really excited about the future prospects here at Trailparts. We believe our single reason for existence is to help customers forward in their businesses. So reach out, talk to one of our team, get on the website. We'd love to take you on the journey to become one of the Trailparts family.